In this step-by-step drawing tutorial, we're going to take a look at how to draw a black widow spider. For a more detailed breakdown of this drawing tutorial, be sure to visit howtodrawstuff.com, or you can follow the link in the description below. Begin the drawing of the black widow by drawing 3 ovals that overlap. The first oval will be the head of the spider, the middle oval will be the midsection, and the large oval will be the rear of the spider. Next, draw 8 segmented legs coming from the middle oval. Be sure to make the legs bend like they do in the picture. This is really what will make the spider look more realistic. Now you can make the legs a little thicker by drawing 8 more lines. Draw a little line where each segment happens in the legs of the spider. Go ahead and draw the hourglass shape on the rear of the spider and make the abdomen have a little bow at the end. Black widow spiders hang out in lots of places, but most of the time they like to hang out on their webs. So now add some curved lines to indicate a web. You don't have to draw a bunch of lines, just a few will do the trick. Be sure that each line that you draw touches one of the legs of the spider. Now you have enough information to finish the drawing of the black widow. Add a lot of black, but be sure to leave some areas for highlight. Black widows are shiny after all. Be sure to color in that hourglass with a deep red. And that's how to draw a black widow spider step by step. Don't forget to visit howtodrawstuff.com for more step-by-step drawing tutorials.